Now the joisties get glued up onto the bottom of the steel joists, and that's done using this Toolbox original adhesive. Now there's two very special things about this adhesive. The first one is that it's low VOC, and that means that it's pretty safe to use even in low ventilation areas such as very low subfloors. And the second thing is it has amazing grab power, which means that once you stick the joistie up, it's just going to stay there and the glue is going to go off with the joistie there and hold it there permanently. Now, you're going to need a couple of things to get going. So firstly, you're going to need a knife with which to cut the top of the tube off and also to cut the nozzle. Now I've already taken the top off this tube, but let's cut the nozzle to size. Now we want to cut it nice and big. Like that. The other thing that you're going to need is a caulking gun, and it's a really good idea to buy a caulking gun that retracts the plunger when you let go of the trigger. That's what this one does. When you let go of the trigger, it pulls the plunger back. And why is that important? Because it stops the glue keeping on oozing out the end of the cartridge when you're not using it. So let's put the glue in the cartridge. There we go. Now, what we're trying to do is apply the glue about down the middle of the joistie. You don't have to be perfectly accurate, but just about down the middle. And we're looking to put 10 small blobs on it, about the size of your small fingernail. Just little blobs. Let's do that now. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But that's still okay. And just leave them like blobs like that, because when we put them up onto the joist, we're going to smooth it out, and that's going to spread the glue out and make it stick really well. And remember, we're going to use the joistie fitting tools to ensure that we stick the joistie in exactly the right position.